Hi everyone, I've got some aviation news for you. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines have announced the official retirement date of their iconic Boeing 747. The Boeing 747 will be retired from KLM service in the early half of 2021. And this is after more than 50 years of faithful and thankless service. And this aircraft will be replaced by the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, both the 787-9 and the 787-10, which is currently being added to the KLM fleet. Now, I've had the pleasure to ride in the KLM 747 twice between Houston and Amsterdam. It was a very comfortable service. And it was my first time being in front of the engines of the 747. They used the General Electric CF6. It was a very, very memorable service and experience. Now, airlines over the past 10 years have been retiring the Boeing 747 in favor of more fuel-efficient aircraft, as well as environmentally friendly. This includes the Boeing 787, A350, and in some cases the Boeing 777-300. The 777X will also be very, very huge too, with some airlines such as British Airways. But the 747 has really impacted me and many other people around the world in a way that no other aircraft will be. She's really inspired a lot of people to fly. She made the world a smaller place. Her grace, her safety, reliability, her passenger comfort, everything is just so unique about her. I will forever be thankful to the Boeing 747 for inspiring me, for making me the world traveler that I am today. I know that these newer aircraft are wonderful, but the 747 will always be close to my heart. I'm sure that the KLM 747 would be a huge impact on many, many lives, especially the 747-400, which has been around since 1989. Now, one of the aircraft, PH-BFB, is actually preserved at Corendon Hotel at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. You can go and catch it over there to get a sight of her. Otherwise, the other aircraft will be retired and the parts that can be reused will be taken off and put on other aircraft, and the airframe will be grinded up into pieces, unfortunately. Well, thank you very much. Long live the Queen.